Hey guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing morning. So today I had planned to wash all my hairbrushes because guys, they are really dirty. Like they really need some cleaning. So I figured I would do it with you guys. So I literally have all my little ingredients here with me. Okay, so this is the little tub that I bought. I literally got it from Walmart. It was like $2, so it was a pretty good purchase. It already has clean water in there. The other ingredients are baking soda, apple cider vinegar, a little brush. I got this from this like pack that I bought for my kitties, and it was extra, so I was like, why not? So yeah, this one. It's literally perfect because it's super small. And then a little rag for me to lay my brushes on for when they're done getting cleaned. So, okay, all I'm gonna do is put a little bit of this apple cider vinegar in here. About that much. I don't measure my ingredients, okay? I just kind of go with the flow. And then baking soda, I just kind of put a little bit in there. Okay. Then I'm gonna just stir it up with my little brush, just to make sure everything is mixed in well. Okay, and it looks ready. I don't know if it's supposed to look different, but it seems like it's ready. So let me get all my brushes. Some of these brushes are really, really nasty, and I stopped using them because of that. I don't know why I didn't think of cleaning them. All I ever thought about was, oh, let me get a new brush. So I just kept purchasing more brushes instead of cleaning them. I don't know. I know it's wrong, but you know, that's why we're cleaning them now, okay? So I have one of my white tooth comb, throw it in there. My regular everyday wet brush, throw it in there. My little, I don't know what this one's called, but you guys know. This one, throw it in there. This one that I stopped using literally months ago. Look at how nasty it is, guys. All that buildup and everything on there. Gross. In there. My other white tooth comb in there. And then my last two, oh wait, no. My two ceramic brushes, the ones that I do my blowouts with. These are kind of dirty, so in there. And then my little mini one that I always use to detangle my hair. Well, I guess I use all of them to detangle my hair, but oh my god. So this is all my brushes. So I know that some people like to let them soak. Like if they're really bad, then you let them soak for like 20-30 minutes and the buildup will come out easier. But I'm not gonna wait. I don't have patience, so I'm just gonna start scrubbing. So yeah, I get my little brush. I know some people use just like regular old toothbrushes that they have, and that does like work. It's just like a brush, so you know, it works fine. I just really like this one because it's so tiny, so it gets like in between like every single groove, and it's just perfect. Before you go in with this, you can remove like all the hair. Usually my brushes don't get like that much hair on them though, because literally as soon as I'm done, oh, here's one. But as soon as I'm done, oh my god, I thought I wasn't filming. I was gonna be so mad. But anyways, as soon as I'm done styling my hair, I always go through my brushes and just clean out whatever hair is on them. I just don't like how they look when the hair is on them. So yeah, I literally, every single time I'm done styling my hair, I do it. So there is not much hair on mine. Other than that old one that you guys saw. Oh my god, guys, if you guys saw how nasty this water is looking, I'll show you guys after so you guys can see. And honestly, these brushes aren't even that dirty. I'm surprised that there's this much gunk on them. Okay, this one is ready to go. They're still not done, okay? So I still have to rinse them after this, but for right now, I'm just gonna put it on the side so it's easier to clean the other ones. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Ooh, well, whatever, I guess I'm gonna drip all over. But this is what it looks like, super clean now. Do you guys see how clean it looks? Obviously, like I said, I still need to rinse them out, but you know, the buildup is gone, so that's what matters. Okay, so now I'm just gonna keep going with every single one of my brushes. I feel like that one was just the hardest because that one was like the biggest one and it's round, so it's like harder to get in this little tub, bowl, whatever it is, plastic container. This one wasn't bad either though, so this one is gonna be good to go. Honestly, I literally didn't even get these that long ago, but you guys would be surprised how fast the buildup gets like on there. Probably just like all the product and stuff. Okay, this one is ready to go too. Make sure, double check it's perfectly clean. Oh my god, I'm dripping everywhere. Oh my god, my vanity is gonna be such a mess after this. Okay, now I can keep going with like the easier ones. This one should be pretty easy. Just getting all of these in between. This brush is perfect because it literally gets like in between all of them. Like, do you guys see? Okay, this one is good to go also. These weren't that bad, so they're super easy. I'm gonna show you guys the ones that are bad. This one you guys can definitely see. I mean, this water already took out a lot of the gunk, but it's still a lot in like on there, so let me show you guys. This is the before. Can you guys see all the gunk stuck on there? Like on in between like the, like here. You guys see. So let me just brush it off real quick. It literally takes like 2 seconds to brush off. Especially with this brush, I'm telling you guys, if you guys get like a brush, get a smaller one. So it gets like in between every single crevice and it's just so perfect. It does take a little longer because it's smaller, like duh, but it's better. Okay, and look, now you guys can see, let me show you guys the difference between the before and after. This is the after. Do you guys see how clean it looks? Like all in between, all the crevices is just brand new. Literally just brand new. If you guys want to see another one, this one is a little worse. So let me show you guys this one. Oh my god, this one was really bad, but now that I left it soaking in there, I feel like it like took it all off already. But you guys see, there's still a little bit of gunk stuck on there in between, just like the other one. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Clean it out. I wonder how long I'm gonna take doing this. It hasn't even been that long. I think it's been like 10 minutes and I'm already like halfway through my brushes. Oh my god, I'm definitely gonna show you guys the water after I'm done because you guys should see now it looks so nasty. Okay, this one took a little longer, but still. It's just because the crevices were a little different on this one, but look. After, super clean, literally nothing on it, nothing. Okay, now I'm gonna have the ones that are gonna probably take me a little longer because these are the ones that I use like every single time. So let's see how it goes. Okay, this one was easy because it's mini. But again, I'm gonna show you guys how clean it looks, literally. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the before of this one, but you guys see still looks really, really clean. Okay, now on the two that are probably gonna take me the longest. Here's the first one. This one honestly doesn't even look that bad, so it's probably not gonna take me as long. Here's the before. Honestly, this one looks pretty clean. I thought it would be dirtier because this is like my everyday like brush. I use this for everything. Like even on the days that I don't style my hair, this is like my go-to brush. I love it. Oh my god, guys, the gunk in this water looks so nasty. I can't. I'm like, should I even be cleaning these in this water if it looks like this? Okay, well, this one was way easier than what I thought. This is what this one looks like. Super clean, look at it. Squeaky clean. Okay, now on the last one. This is the one that is like, this is the one that started sizzling when I started like pouring everything in here. So we'll see how this goes. This one literally still has hair in it. You guys can definitely see the gunk in there. Oh my god, the drip. Do you guys see all the gunk stuck on there? You guys probably can't even see, but there's a lot of gunk on there. Let's see how long this takes me. Ew! Guys, look at this. Look at what came out. Ooh. I'm telling you, this one was gonna be the worst one out of all of them. I knew it. Oh my god, guys, look, another one. Did you guys see how much gunk? I am so happy about this little like mixture though, because it literally makes it so easy to come out. I really thought I was gonna have to get like one of those tools to like take all of that like gunk out. Oh my god, look, more. I can't. Oh my god, when I show you guys, I'm gonna be embarrassed when I show you guys this water, but I'm still gonna show you guys because I really want you guys to see how clean this is. So yeah, oh my god, it's still not, it looks so much better. Also, for the ingredients, I know that there's like a better apple cider vinegar that's more like name brand. Honestly, I just got the Walmart version, the Great Value one, because it was way cheaper. I think it was like $2 for like that bottle, and it honestly works amazing, so there's no need to get the other one. I knew this one was gonna take me the longest. Oh my god, my camera is about to give up. No. But yeah, I really knew that this one was gonna take me the longest because this one is just nasty. I'm telling you guys, I literally stopped using this one because of how nasty it was, and I didn't want to clean it. So now I have to deal with it. I honestly, I'm like, should I even show you guys how it looks? Because I don't know. I don't like this. I'm tired. My hands hurt. My fingers hurt. Okay, so this one was the worst one, but this is what it looks like now. Do you guys see how clean it is? Like I said, I still have to rinse all of them out, but we are done. Oh my god, guys, look at how disgusting this brush ended up. Do you guys see? Gross. This is probably what you guys wanted to see. The gunk, the dirt, how ugly everything looks. Do you guys see how nasty the water looks? Guys, this is not it. Okay, look, do you know what? I think I'm gonna have to do it with my phone so you guys can actually see like how nasty it looks. Should I do flash? Let's do flash. Okay. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm gonna put it on the screen so you guys can see it. This is so gross. Oh my god, guys. Okay, that was kind of embarrassing, but I am being real, okay? Like, this is how it looks after you're done. And honestly, most of my brushes weren't even that dirty. So, clean your brushes. But yeah, so now that we are done, I am gonna go rinse these off, let them air dry, and then just dump this disgusting water out. I don't want to see it anymore. It's nasty. And now this is a really good reminder so I can clean my brushes more often. It's a reminder to me and a reminder to you to clean your hairbrushes. Do not forget. So now that I'm done, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I really hope you guys take my advice and clean your brushes. Okay? So this is gonna be the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I really hope I get to see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.